All right, so if you have been staking any Beam or have any nodes delegated to our node, the CryptoFactor, or any node that is, you can actually now claim your rewards. Now, I want to make a quick video showing you exactly how to do it step by step. No fluff, no BS. Let's just dive straight in. All right, so first of all, you come to the Beam node website. That's nodes.onbeam.com. And the first thing you're gonna notice is no token claim is live here at the top and go to claim. Do not click that. That's not where it's done, okay? Don't get confused. A lot of people on Twitter, on X, complaining that they can't find their tokens. Let me show you exactly where to go. What you do is you go up here to delegations. Once you click delegations, you can see the nodes you are delegating over here. For example, I am delegating one node to the CryptoFactor number 2, and I'm delegating 3 nodes to the CryptoFactor. This is our main node. This one got filled up. So now we have our second node over here that you can delegate to. And by the way, if you want to delegate to any of these nodes, I'll leave the links in the description down below. And right at the top here, you'll see my rewards. What you want to do is you want to click that. Now, as you can see, I don't have any unclaimed rewards because I already claimed them because I wanted to see how this works. But I did take a screenshot so you can see exactly what you're gonna see. So bear with me a second. So this is what you're going to see. You're gonna see my rewards and claim all, or you can claim individually down here. Does that make sense? So basically you click those and you sign your MetaMask or whatever wallet you used. Obviously you have to connect your wallet. I hope that goes without saying, but you sign the message and your rewards should come in with wrapped Beam and Ether. Now, understand that wrapped Beam, you won't be able to see it. So you need to make one more step to make a swap into Beam. So let me show you how you do that. What you do is you come to this site over here, which is swap.onbeam.com. You can see that right there in the taskbar or the browser bar. And what you do is you select your WBeam right here and you put it to your Beam. Over here, you select max. Now, obviously I don't have any because I already did this. And what it will do, it will pop up your wallet. So for example, if I did Beam into WBeam, which is the other way around, and I click wrap, you'll see my wallet pop up. And this is where I would review and whatever. But you get the drift. You would do it the other way around, if that makes sense. And basically that's it. You have your Beam in your MetaMask or whatever wallet you are using. Now, if you do want to delegate any nodes, they're actually pretty cheap on the secondary market right now. Please go ahead, buy some, and once you do, you'll get them at a very cheap price. You can actually delegate them to the CryptoFactor nodes if that's what you do, if you want to do, and the links are in the description down below. Or if you claim your Beam and you want to stake your Beam, you could also do that to our nodes. We have 100% uptime. We are in communication with the devs. We've made videos, we've made tutorials, and I'll also leave a tutorial down below as well, just in case you need that. As a matter of fact, I'll leave it right here. So make sure you watch that video, and yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day.